This is me, Maria, and we're going to be trying to make slime with old glitter glue. So let's get started. So all we're going to need is just glue. What I'm using is, this is kind of old and it's glitter glue, you guys can see. Let's see if it actually works. We have two mixing spoons, mixing tools, just a stick and a fork, just in case if you need it. You guys will need a bowl and some activator. I'm going to be using Tide. I will have like contact solution or whatever it's called. Contact solution. Yeah, that's what it's called. I'm going to be adding some glue now, guys. So, yeah, see, this is even dried. I'm making a whole bunch of slime. Search, we're going to be making a little bit so you can see if it even works. So guys, look at this. It's jiggly. Well, you know, it could work or it couldn't. Can't. Guys, there's a chance it could work. It doesn't happen. Let's just mix this, see how it is. A little jiggly spots, but we could try doing it, guys. Not jiggly slime. Sticky. It is a little sticky. I think if I do more glue here. I have guys sick, so because my hair is doing this or coughing, that sounds weird. Yeah, but I have a fever and I'm a little sick and my head's warm and yeah, and you guys should be proud that I'm actually doing this while I'm sick. There's some more in here, guys. Oh my god. This is hard. Open this, guys. Get all this out. Well, it's even worse, and we're just going to be wasting glue. Okay, let's get this down. Okay, close this. Okay. Mix this. Can you see how much that is? It looks chunky though. Okay, let's put some Tide in it to activate it. And we're going to be using this fork to get all this stuff out. Okay, time to do that for right now. Now let's mix this. This not pulling together, guys. Like, look at this. Does that look like it's pulling together? Maybe we need more contact solution. Not contact solution, Tide, guys. I never made like real slime before. Let's try. Oh my god. Let's get this all out. Come on. Maybe we need more Tide. Oh no. Let's fix this out. I think it's pulling maybe a little together. Not too much, guys. Not too much, guys. Maybe Macy's mic, guys. No. Maybe Macy's slime right now, guys. You guys see this? sticky, guys, because it's glue. But yeah, it's pretty sticky. Let myself with this towel I have right here. Might meaning a lot of time. This will work out. Kind of a lot. Hope it does. Oh, that was kind of. It might help, guys. It doesn't look like it's pulling together. Can you see this? It doesn't look like it's working, guys. Like, no. It's not working out very good, guys. I'm putting more tide in it to activate it a little more. Oh no, guys, it's dying. We need to charge it. Guys, I will be right back, guys. Let me get my charger everything. Oh no, guys, I might move a little bit. See if it's recovering. Nice. Guys, this might be dying, guys. If I die on you guys, just remember, guys, it's probably not working. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back. Just need a little bit. Oh, that was kind of a lot. Kind of working. Like, look at that. Is it working? Oh my god. Maybe it just needs baking soda. Maybe it needs a little more. It's kind of a lot. If it's working, then it's okay, right? do need a little more activator. Sorry guys, I forgot I had you guys on. What kind of YouTuber am I? Maybe it needs a little more activator or baking soda, guys. It's not stretchy at all. It's kind of sticky. Yeah, guys, it's kind of sticky. I'm gonna pause you guys for about a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Just need to wash my hands a little. Well, maybe we need more baking soda or activator. Yeah, it's still sticky. Been working with it for a while. It's still working up. This will work. It's like pudding, disgusting pudding, but barely sticky. Like really kind of sticky. And this is true. Look at this, guys. Already 12 minutes. It's still not working. It took 12 minutes trying to do this. This seemed like 12 minutes. Time goes really fast. Time goes fast, guys. Well, I still think it's pretty good, guys. I'll be saving it, adding more stuff. And after it's all ready, I'll be showing you guys this. Maybe if it was like in a balloon. Oh my god, that felt so good. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll try to turn it out. Let's get closer. Bye. I'll see you guys next time. Try to close you guys up. Bye.